Hello everybody, so today I will talk about LCD. This is about least common denominator. So now I will show you the technique how to find LCD. First, we need to concentrate about this one and this one. So about this one, you got about 9x squared. So this is the highest power in here. Number 9, we got about 3 square s square. About this one, we can put about 5s multiply with s to the power of 3. So we just create about factorization. So let's compare between two of them. If we look carefully, s square and about s, this one is about the highest power. Next, this one we don't have this factor in here, so we need to multiply. And the next one we have 3 square, because this one they don't have the number 3 square in here, so we need to have 3 square. This one we have number 5, but this one we don't have number 5, so we need to multiply with number 5 in here. And now we get the final answer. That should be about 3 square multiply with number 5 multiply with s square, and the last one s plus number 3. And now we got the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.